morning, good morning. How are you today? I hope you had a wonderful night. And once again, I want to start the day in a positive note, and we're gonna do a super fast meditation just to get started today. And you know how I always, when we do our regular length meditations, I tell you to picture white light coming from the top of your head, and this white light is bringing you wisdom, knowledge, and peace. And it is my understanding that the light is always inside of us. It's always with you, inside of you, and that's what makes you so wonderful and so likable, because you have light. So today, the phrase that I chose for today is I am light. And so I will invite you to listen to the music, relax, sit comfortably, or you can lay down and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and out, and you can picture that big bright white light coming from the top of your head, inside your body, inside and outside, surrounding you. And now we're going to repeat over and over and over. I am light. And again. I am light. I am light. I am light. I am the 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 light. Continue doing this. If you can stay in this place for another 5 minutes or so, that'll be ideal. I'll play the music for you. I am the light. And when you're done, you can open your eyes, wiggle your toes, stretch your arms, get up, and go for it. You should have an awesome day. Remembering that you are special, you are loved, and you are meant to be happy, always. All my love.